Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for online courses with edX, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official edX website at www.edx.org. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you don't have an account, click on the register option. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification message from edX. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the edX homepage and log into your account. Use the search bar to find courses of interest. You can filter courses by subject, level, or institution using the options provided. Click on a course title for more details. Review the course descriptions, prerequisites, and syllabus. If you decide to enroll, click on the Enroll button. You may need to choose between a verified track or an audit track. For a verified track, enter payment information if required. Confirm your enrollment. You'll receive a confirmation email with details about the course. Access your course dashboard to see the courses you are enrolled in. From your dashboard, click on a course to get started. Follow any additional instructions provided within the course. Enjoy your learning experience on edX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.